Hi everyone, I'm Sofia, your FASHIONPHILE Procurement Specialist, and welcome to our YouTube channel. Whether you're a longtime follower or new here, here's a little glimpse into the world of FASHIONPHILE and what you can expect here on this channel. As pioneers of ultra-luxury re-commerce, FASHIONPHILE buys and sells both online and in person. Our mission is to make 100% authentic, pre-loved ultra-luxury more accessible than ever before. We've been doing this since 1999, and we have so much information that we can't wait to share with you here. On this channel, you can join me and other FASHIONPHILE experts as we create weekly videos dedicated to pre-owned ultra-luxury handbags, watches, and jewelry. You can expect to see educational videos on authentication, size guides, styling how-tos, definitive breakdowns of your favorite products and designers, resale and investment tips, ultra-luxury industry news, current events, and so much more. We have so much fun creating these videos, and I'm so excited to be here on YouTube sharing them with you. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and reach out to us in the comments with any specific products or topics you'd like us to cover next. And remember, all products featured in our videos can be shopped at fashionphile.com or at one of our flagship locations. Thank you for being part of our FASHIONPHILE community, and I'll see you in our next video.